For fully electric refrigerated systems, we currently have the EV380 and the EV580S. These are designed for only light to medium duty trucks. Introducing the Thermo King TH-450, fully electric refrigeration system designed specifically for heavy duty applications like 24-footers and trailers. This is an advanced system suitable not just for trailers but also heavy duty trucks 24 foot and up. Designed with a slim and aerodynamic profile, this reduces wind resistance and enhances overall road efficiency. As a fully electric system, the TH-450 supports a greener and more sustainable future for cold chain transportation. It delivers zero emissions while maintaining rapid temperature pull-down to protect your cargo. But how does it perform when handling 24-foot insulated containers and trailers? Like this video and stay tuned for part 2.